Hi, my name is Josh Witherspoon, and I'm a junior agricultural communications major at Texas Tech University. In August of 2020, I accepted an internship with iCEV Multimedia as a production assistant. Let's jump into what my experience looked like.
While interning at iCEV Multimedia, my day-to-day job duties included writing and developing articles, researching subjects for courses, and writing scripts and video outlines. When working on articles, the main course I worked on was employability skills. This course's purpose was to prepare students with the leadership and personal skills necessary to be a good employee. My job was to write articles and discussion questions to incorporate in the lessons as supplementary reading materials. These articles give students a chance to dive deep into the subjects they are studying and increase understanding. Here's an example of one of the articles that I got to write. This one was over discrimination. I also got to write articles over conflict management, self-advocacy, male and female leaders, and managing stress and emotions. When teachers utilize iCEV content, they aren't just receiving slideshows, homework assignments, and tests to deliver to students. One of my duties during this internship was to write scripts for video demonstrations that went along with the subjects being covered in courses. I also had to find locations to film, on-screen talent, and schedule all facets of the filming process. Here's an example of a script that I got to write over listening skills. I also got the opportunity to write scripts over topics like social cues, managing conflict, and managing stress and emotions.
During my time with iCEV Multimedia, I both learned and grew a lot. One of my favorite things to learn about during my time with iCEV was about the education industry outside of the classroom. What that looked like for me was just watching the relationship between iCEV and state governments and how they work together to better educate students within a given state. I also got to learn a lot about writing. I'm very passionate when it comes to writing, and I see a lot of value in writing and education. And it was just really cool to be surrounded by people who could pour into me their experience and all of the time that they've spent interacting with content and curriculum. And lastly, a really cool thing that I learned is I just learned how to be a good employee. I learned employability skills. I learned how to interact with my coworkers and how to take and receive feedback and just how to be a good employee overall. Looking back on my internship experience with iCEV Multimedia, I can definitely say that it was unmatched. It was an amazing developmental experience that I will carry with me throughout my career. Looking towards the future, I definitely believe that the education industry is a possibility for me. I'm passionate about communication and I'm passionate about education, and this experience really gave me the opportunity to put those two passions to work. Overall, I'm extremely thankful for my experience with iCEV Multimedia, and I'm excited to see what the education industry holds for me in the future.